How to use AI for shopping recommendations. AI can make your shopping experience more faster, smarter, and personalized. You can use AI for personalized product suggestions. For example, you can say something like, recommend the best budget smartphones under $300 with good cameras. Or you can ask for recommendation for something to eat under this budget. Not only that, but AI can suggest clothing combination based on your wardrobe or occasion. Suggest a casual outfit for summer with blue jeans and white t-shirts. It can even accessorize your existing outfit. AI can also make side-by-side comparison to help you choose. For example, compare iPhone 15 versus Samsung Galaxy S24, pros, cons, and price. This will save you so much time checking multiple websites manually. Not only that, but you can find some shoes for discount. Along with that, you can also search makeup products, toys, and many more for discounts. If you want to buy something but you haven't read the reviews, then worry not. Instead of reading hundreds of reviews, AI can summarize them. For example, summarize top 10 reviews of Logitech wireless mouse and give pros and cons. That's all for today. Thank you.